Can you imagine the untapped potential of a small spice in your pantry? Anise, with its licorice-like flavor, is more than a taste enhancer, it's a health booster. First, anise is a powerhouse for digestion, easing bloating and improving gut health. This little spice contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, essential for those with chronic digestive issues. Next, it can calm your mind. Anise seeds are known for their mild sedative properties, potentially reducing anxiety and stress levels. A cup of anise tea might just do the trick for a peaceful evening. Furthermore, for women, anise can help balance hormones and relieve menstrual discomfort. It contains anethole, which mirrors estrogen, offering natural relief. However, always consult a healthcare provider before using it therapeutically. Additionally, anise is packed with antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress and potentially boost your immune system. Now, how do you incorporate anise into your diet? It's simple: add it to your morning oatmeal, use it in baking, or spice up your stews and soups. Ready to transform your cooking and enhance your health? Explore the diverse uses of anise and feel the difference. Subscribe for more tips on integrating healthy choices into your daily life.